started it?
Yep.
Okay, there's that side. Oh my gosh. Gave me the dullest knife in the world.
Sorry. That's what was in the drawer.
Boom. Alright. Oh. And this is the Forza Horizon edition.
Yeah, that's why I bought it. But it also was the last one in Jacksonville, so.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at that. Power your dreams. You know, it's funny, that's Honda's slogan too. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Wow, it's heavier than I thought it was gonna be.
I don't know if you have the All Access Pass with this or not, but you already have.
And the remote, oh my god, and there's a new remote! Oh my god, I can't wait! Oh my god. Look at how beautiful this thing is. It's like I'll carry it like it's my son. So this thing is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. This thing is like a whole PC packed in this bitch. Wow. Unreal. I believe this is the top of it.
Yes, that is the top.
I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. Where am I gonna put it at, babe?
You're gonna have to figure it out. For now, just put it on the coffee table and unbox the rest of it.
Oh my god. This is where the remote's gonna be at. Let me stack all this back in here real quick. Alrighty then, let's see what we got here, mates. It's a bloomin' onion. Oh my god, there's the new controller. The power cords and the HDMI. Let's see what this thing looks like. Wow, it's so much smaller than the Xbox One controller that I have.
I know, it looks tiny.
Oh my god, it is tiny. I love it.
Is that an Elite controller?
No, the top of it looks like an Elite controller, but it does not have the paddles. All right, so let's plug it up, ladies and gentlemen.